Bonjour, bonjour, hello, good day. My name is Christelle, I'm a French photographer and I'm in Rennes, France. Today is the 7th of June, it's 5 p.m. and 15 minutes. So tonight and tomorrow night I'm going to a festival. I'm not going as an official photographer or anything like this, I'm just going as a customer basically. Festival Pi Palapop. It's by a non-profit organization called the Pichikai. And yeah, so it's from 7 a.m. to 1 a.m. tonight and same tomorrow. It's in Rennes, it's in Le Jardin Moderne, and I'm going by bike. So because I'm not going as an official photographer, I want to be very lightweight, so I'm not taking any camera to film. I'm currently filming with my GoPro. I will just use my phone for this. And at first, I really wanted to take my Nikon D7500. That's my big boy. And it has the kit lens, which is 18 to 140, so that's really great, really good quality. It's not a full frame, but really fantastic. Considering I have no idea how tight they are on security, some festivals really like when you're taking photos and sending them, and some festivals really don't like if you have a big camera. So I will be taking my dear old Lumix TZ80. It's really completely busted at this point. It only shows things in black and white, even though right now it's in the photo style is natural. It's really busted, you can't trust it for videos because the horizontal line is just wonky, and sometimes it's just a black screen even though you can hear the noise and you can hear it filming, it's just black. Only using it for photos, it's not good in low light situations, but yeah. So what I'm going to do for tonight is to really sort of aim for like artistic photographies, because it's not like I'm going to do anything sharp anyway, it's just not going to be possible. I'm going to the festival. I also know that I will have a better time enjoying the festival with something compact rather than 2 kilos around my neck. And I will see what's the situation like, and if tomorrow I bring the big boy or not, or if I just continue with that. That's it for today. So I will take videos with my phone, iPhone 11. Yeah, still good. Hello again, so today is day 2 of the festival. So first a little debrief about yesterday, so day 1. It was great. I only stayed for 4 artists, so I left at around 11 p.m. and something. Because people were starting to be drunk in the front row and I needed to get back home by bike, so yeah, I was a bit tired. I finished editing all the photos from day 1 and I'm really happy with them. It was my small camera and it's really not that good anymore, so I already knew in advance that I couldn't aim at sharp photos, so really I was aiming at blur, movements and a bit of grain and all that, and I think that's also what goes well with this sort of concert photography, like a lot of energy, strength, this sort of things. So I'm happy with the photos. So that was with this camera. So tonight it's day 2. I'm going with a friend actually. I'm going there by bus, not by bike this time. And instead of taking my small camera, I've seen that there were a lot of photographers with their big cameras and stuff, so I would take my big boy, the Nikon D7500. I do believe that you can take good photos with everything, but it's a limitation. So basically, I knew that the kind of photos I want to do there for this style, it's more blurry, movement, grain and all that. So it's okay if I have a shitty camera. Or not shitty, it's good, but it's really used and completely busted and everything. But if I wanted to do something else, more sharp or dealing with low lights better, these sort of things, I would not be able to. Whereas if I have something much better, like this one or my Lumix S5 or whatever, then it means I have all the possibilities. I can still do like movement and blur and grain and everything, but I can also do like sharp things. And even with like movement and blur and all that, it's still going to be nicer with this one or with my Lumix S5 than with the little compact Lumix TZ80. So 6 bands again tonight. I don't think we will see the 6 bands. And for each night, it seems that the last artist is a DJ, which is less my thing. And again, I will be filming with my phone, which is the iPhone 11. I will not be taking the GoPro. Again, so I've finished editing the photos for both nights now and I'm really happy with the second night. I was already okay with the photos from the first night which I took with my Lumix TZ80, but I'm even more satisfied with the photos I took on the second night with the Nikon D7500. The results are much better, just not only more convenient to control, but also the technical abilities are also much nicer. It's performing way better in low light situations. Just really more satisfied with the photos of the second night. So really happy with the photos in general. I hope you enjoyed them. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!